Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to add page number on Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So once we're here on our Microsoft account and we wish to add page number on our file, all we need to do then is to click Insert. Right after that, we're going to click Page Number. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have the options on where we are going to place the page number. So just like for example, if I'm going to choose here the top of page, I can click that and I'm going to choose then if it would be on the right or left part or at the center. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose this one. If in case that we don't want that this particular page will be having a page number, all we need to do then is to click different first page. And right after that, we're going to click here, page number, and click format page number. Once we are routed on this page, we're going to click Start At. We are going to input here 0. And right after that, we're going to click OK. So if you notice on our screen right now, the first page has no page number. And the second page started page 1. So once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click Close Header and Footer. So there you have it. That's how we are going to add page number on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.